Hi friends, today we are going to deal about Insert Class 10 Maths Chapter 1 Real Numbers. First we will see what are real numbers. So let us take capital N. Capital N is nothing but natural numbers. So natural numbers include 1, 2, 3, etc. So if we count anything, we will say as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. So natural number is also called counting numbers. Next, capital W, it is whole numbers. Whole numbers are nothing but natural numbers plus 0. So that is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. becomes whole numbers. Next, Z, integers. So integers are nothing but whole numbers plus negative numbers. That is minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. or integers. So next is rational numbers. So rational numbers are nothing but p by 2, where q should not be equal to 0. Next one is irrational numbers. The numbers that are not rational comes under irrational numbers. So root 2, root 3, pi, which cannot be expressed as fractions, can come in irrational numbers. So rational numbers can be written as 2 by 3, 6 by 7. So these are all rational numbers which can be expressed as fractions. When we express the numbers as fractions, they come under rational numbers. So next is irrational numbers. These root 2, root 3, pi cannot be expressed as fractions. So they are irrational numbers. So what is a real number? So all these 5 numbers comes under real numbers. So real numbers are nothing but natural numbers plus whole numbers plus integers plus rational numbers plus irrational numbers equal to real number. So we can easily say that any number that can be plotted on a number line is a real number. So if we take a number line, if I am able to plot points, then it comes under real number. Suppose if we take the value root 2, so its value is 1.414. So root 2 takes the value 1.414. So in this number line, its value is 0 and this value is 1. So 1.414, it can be plotted somewhere here. So in the same way, if we take minus 2, so minus 2 can be plotted here. So any number that can be plotted on a number line is a real number. If prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the natural numbers greater than 1 which are divisible by 1 and the number itself are called prime numbers. So for example, if we take 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, they are all prime numbers. So these numbers are divisible by 1 and itself. That is 5 is divisible by 1 and 5 is divisible by 5 and no other number is divisible for these numbers. So these numbers are called prime numbers. So next is composite numbers. So the natural numbers which are divisible by 1 itself and any other number or numbers are called composite numbers. For example, if we take 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, so these numbers are divisible by 1 itself and some other numbers. So it is called composite number. If we take number 1, 1 is neither prime nor composite number because 1 is divisible by only 1 and now other numbers. So 1 is neither prime nor composite number. So if we take the number 16, So 16 is divisible by 1 itself, that is 16, and 16 is divisible by 2, 4, 2, 4, 8. So 16 is divisible by 1 itself and any other numbers. So it is called a composite number. So if we take the number 13, so 13 is divisible by 1 and 30. So 1 and itself. So 13 is a prime number. So here 1 is neither prime nor composite. So next is lemma. So what is a lemma? So lemma is nothing but a proven statement used for proving another statement. So lemma is a small statement that is already proved and it can be used for proving another statement. What is an algorithm? So it is a series of well-defined steps which gives a procedure for solving many type of problem. So the steps are already defined. We can follow the steps to solve the problem. So next is an important theorem, Euclid's division lemma. So what is Euclid's division lemma? Given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying a is equal to bq plus r. Here r should be greater than or equal to 0 and less than b. So this is Euclid's division lemma. So what do you mean by a is equal to bq plus r? So a is nothing but dividend and b is the divisor, q is the quotient and r is the remainder. So if we take any number, suppose I take 11. So 11 is the dividend and 2 is the divisor. So it is divisible by 5. So 5 2s are 10 and the remainder is 1. So in the number 11 can be written as, so 11 is nothing but dividend a. Here the divisor is 2, that is b, and the quotient is 5 and the remainder is 1. So by Euclid's division lemma, 11 can be written as bq. bq means 2 into 5 plus 1. So any number can be written in this form using Euclid's division lemma, and we can also use this Euclid's division lemma to find the HCF. So we can find this Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of any 2 or 3 numbers. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.